Question 1. According to the World Bank, what percentage of India's urban population will the country reach by 2036? A. 31%, B. 40%, C. 60%, D. 70%. The correct answer is B. 40%. Kerala is the first state to set up an urban policy commission with a 25-year roadmap to manage rapid urbanization sustainably. India's urban population will reach 600 million by 2036. Question 2. What geographical feature divides Papikonda National Park into two halves? A. The Godavari River, B. A mountain range, C. The Eastern Ghats, D. The Oven Fracture Zone. The correct answer is A. The Godavari River. The Godavari River divides the park into two halves. Papikonda National Park was upgraded to a national park in 2008. Question 3. What is the code name of the integrated firepower exercise conducted by the Indian Army? A. Operation Sindoor, B. Amogh Fury, C. Sapt Shakti, D. Mahajan. The correct answer is B. Amogh Fury. Amogh Fury is the code name for a major integrated firepower exercise conducted by the Sapt Shakti Command of the Indian Army. The exercise was held at the Mahajan field firing ranges in the Thar Desert of Rajasthan. Question 4. What red bird species was recently spotted at the Nanjarayan Bird Sanctuary? A. Eurasian wryneck, B. Pied avocet, C. Red-necked phalarope, D. Lesser flamingo. The correct answer is C. Red-necked phalarope. Red-necked phalarope was recently spotted at the Nanjarayan Bird Sanctuary. This bird sanctuary is located in Tirupur city. Question 5. What is the projected R&D growth for 2025 according to the World Intellectual Property Organization's Global Innovation Index 2025? A. 4.4%, B. 2.9%, C. 2.3%, D. 1.5%. The correct answer is C. 2.3%. R&D growth is projected to drop further to 2.3% in 2025. This marks a sharp decline from a 4.4% increase in the previous year, the lowest growth since the 2010 financial crisis. Question 6. Which actor received the Dadasaheb Phalke Award 2023? A. Mohanlal, B. Shah Rukh Khan, C. Ashwini Vaishnav, D. Mammootty. The correct answer is A. Mohanlal. Actor Mohanlal was conferred the Dadasaheb Phalke Award 2023. Question 7. Which of the following is a new parameter introduced in the IPRS 3.0? A. Land availability, B. Power supply, C. Water availability, D. Digitalization. The correct answer is D. Digitalization. The third edition introduces an expanded framework with new parameters including sustainability, green infrastructure, logistics connectivity, digitalization, skill linkages, and enhanced tenant feedback. Question 8. What is the name of the tribe that staged the agitation regarding the PM Janman housing scheme? A. Gond, B. Bhil, C. Irular, D. Santhal. The correct answer is C. Irular. Members of the Irular tribe on Saturday staged an agitation demanding proper housing and a regulated procedure under the PM Janman scheme, which they allege has resulted in poorly constructed houses. Question 9. What is a node in the context of a supercomputer? A. A single high-speed connection point for the internet. B. A massive storage system that holds petabytes of data. C. A group of processors bundled together with memory. D. A single supercomputer's cooling unit. The correct answer is C. A group of processors bundled together with memory. A node is defined as a group of processors bundled together with memory, a package that resembles a small computer. Question 10. What international recognition has Dhordo achieved from the United Nations World Tourism Organization? A. Best Village for Sustainable Development. B. Best Tourism Village. C. Most Innovative Village. D. Most Solar-Powered Village. The correct answer is B. Best Tourism Village. Dhordo is described as being internationally acclaimed as the best tourism village by the United Nations World Tourism Organization. Question 11. What is the name of the newly identified deep-sea coral species? A. Phalaropus lobatus, B. Iridogeorgia chewbacca, C. Minor Varkia kalinga, D. Lysemys punctata. The correct answer is B. Iridogeorgia chewbacca. The researchers have named the new species Iridogeorgia chewbacca. It was named after the hairy Wookiee character Chewbacca. Question 12. What does the emissions intensity of GDP refer to? A. The total net emissions of a country. B. The total amount of carbon a country can emit annually. C. The amount of carbon emitted per unit of GDP. D. The overall reduction in a country's carbon emissions. The correct answer is C. The amount of carbon emitted per unit of GDP. The emissions intensity of GDP is defined as the amount of carbon emitted per unit of GDP. Question 13. What is the name of India's only active volcano? A. Narkondam Island. B. Barren Island. C. Swaraj Dweep. D. Port Blair. The correct answer is B. Barren Island. Barren Island holds the distinction of being India's only active volcano. It lies at the junction of the Indian and Burmese tectonic plates. Question 14. What makes the black tigers of Simlipal appear dark with bold, overlapping stripes? A. They live in a dense forest which affects their coat color. B. They are a different species from other tigers. C. They are a different subspecies of tiger. D. They have a unique genetic mutation. The correct answer is D. They have a unique genetic mutation. The tigers carry the unique genetic mutation responsible for the distinctive coat. Question 15. What is the theme of the Ayurveda Day 2025? A. Ayurveda for a healthy life. B. Ayurveda, ancient wisdom, modern science. C. Ayurveda for people and planet. D. Ayurveda for global health. The correct answer is C. Ayurveda for people and planet. The theme for 2025 is Ayurveda for people and planet, reflecting the system's holistic philosophy of balance between people, the environment and all life forms. Question 16. What is the new one-time fee imposed on a new H-1B visa application? A. $45,000. B. $100,000. C. $77,000. D. $97,000. The correct answer is B. $100,000. The US government has decided to impose a one-time $100,000 fee on the new H-1B visa applications. Question 17. What is the IUCN Red List status of the fishing cat? A. Endangered. B. Critically endangered. C. Vulnerable. D. Least concern. The correct answer is C. Vulnerable. The fishing cat listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List is primarily associated with wetlands and riverine habitats. Question 18. Under which legal act is noise legally recognized as an air pollutant in India? A. The Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. B. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. C. The Environment Protection Act 1986. D. The National Green Tribunal Act 2010. The correct answer is B. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. The noise is recognized as an air pollutant under the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. Question 19. Which Indian organization represented the country in the Asian Regional Conference? A. The National Investigation Agency. B. The Research and Analysis Wing. C. The National Central Bureau. D. The Central Bureau of Investigation. The correct answer is D. The Central Bureau of Investigation. India was represented in the Asian Regional Conference by a delegation from CBI. Question 20. What is the total approved capacity of the Oju Hydroelectric Project? A. 2100 megawatts. B. 120 megawatts. C. 2143 megawatts. D. 2220 megawatts. The correct answer is D. 2220 megawatts. The project has a capacity of 2220 megawatts, which is the sum of the 2100 megawatt main plant and the 120 megawatt dam tow plant.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.